I would like you to read a story to me. Please do your best reading. If you do not know a word, I will read the word for you. Keep reading until I say stop. Be ready to tell me all about the story when you finish. All right, you may begin reading.
An island festival. Everyone on the island helped get the village ready for the big festival. Working together was part of the island way. Kiri and her family helped sweep the walkways of the village. Other families picked up litter and groomed gardens. None of the some repaired old buildings around town. They all wanted their island to look its best for guests who would soon arrive from over the Pacific. Kiri was happy that the place looked so nice, but she was more excited about the festival to come.
And stop.
That's all I got. How many words?
Okay, so there were 87 words read with 1, 2, 3, 4 errors. Actually 3, one was self-corrected. So that gives 84 words correct. Now tell me as much as you can about the story you just read. Ready? Begin.
The people were getting the houses ready, and Kiri and her brothers and sisters were sweeping, and they were making the buildings look good, and they were hoping that it looked nice, and that's all.
Okay, thank you.